The average dental practice loses $250,000 every year to empty chair time. Cancellations, no-shows, they create gaps in your schedule. Kasper fills them automatically in one click. Introducing Kasper Opportunity Finder. Kasper connects to your open dental schedule and automatically detects every gap. Pam Beasley has a 60-minute gap, and it's costing you chair time right now. Kasper knows Pam's a hygienist, so it shows cleanings, deep cleanings, and sealants. Select cleanings, and Kasper instantly finds every patient who fits Pam's open slot. Patients are ranked by score, insurance remaining, prophy due date, and visit history. Click Tim Duncan to see his full profile, balance, texts, recall date, and appointment history. Balance 0, prophy overdue, last text 6 months ago. Everything you need to decide. Full text history, unscheduled treatment, and recall date, no need to open Open Dental. Now just drag Tim directly onto Pam's gap to schedule the appointment. Dropped. Appointment confirmed. Gap filled. No manual entry. Self-serve install in minutes. No demo, no salesperson, no credit card. Free for early adopters, forever. Claim your license today at meetkasper.com/opportunity-finder.